Alright, so for the code in this update, the main stuff I did in my code was for coding the animation and when to trigger it. So I made this new move script for my player, set up an animator component, and what it does is if W is being pressed, then I want the animation being played as for movement, which I called speed. It sends the speed value, which is 1, so if speed's greater than 1, it's going to play with speed animation. Or else if speed equals 0, it's going to play the idle animation. But I've done with stuff where space is pressed, play with jump animation. If it's not pressed, then it's sending jump as false as the bool is false. So then it's not playing with jump animation. Same with for the fire shooting animation. If I'm pressing the fire button or left mouse, then bool shoot is true, which is going to play with shooting animation. Else it's going to play with false animation, or the idle or running animation. I've also added that to my AI movement script. I did the same thing with my AIs and just put it in my script. So when an enemy's so close to a player, then it starts its attack motion. The bool for its attack motion is true. Else it goes back to its running animation or the death animation, depending on what's true. Same with enemy health. I put some more true or bool statements for when animation should be played. Like here, if health is less than or equal to 0, I set the speed to 0, then I play with death animation, and then get rid of the enemy. And that's pretty much all the code I've added to my game this update.